How to quickly call your favorite contacts on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily contact your favorite contacts on your Samsung device. So let's just jump right in. So what you would usually do to call someone is if you go over to your phone dialer and then you find your contact on your recents, then what you do is just swipe right here to give them a call. And if you want to access this without even opening your phone dialer, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Go ahead and open settings menu. And once you open up your settings, you need to go ahead and find display settings. Tap on display. And then you need to find something called edge panel over here. Tap on edge panels. And currently I have used edge panels for my tools and clipboard. So tap on panels. And then you can easily find people option over here. Select this and then tap on edit down below. Now allow access to your contacts. Now you can go ahead and tap on select contacts at the bottom. I'll just select random contacts from the suggested ones. And once you're done, tap on done down below. As you can see here, I have selected a few contacts for my edge panel. Now I can just tap on it and then tap on done. You can also customize your edge panel by going over to handle, and then you can change its transparency, its width, and its height. So as you can see, you can also move it around, and if you long press and hold on it, you can move it to the other side of the screen as well. So I'll just leave it here as it is, and then if I just go back to my home screen, I can just swipe left from the edge panel, just like so. The panel will come out, and if I just toggle through here, I can find my contacts. And to call someone, you can just tap on the contact and then tap on the call button, and you're good to go. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.